gonna draw a Spinosaurus, which is a dinosaur. Dinosaurs died out 66 million years ago, and they're relatives of birds. Now we're gonna draw the dinosaur. First, let's start with the mouth. For the mouth, draw a really wide and tall rectangle. Something sort of like this. Then, you can erase this part and make it into a triangle. For the sharp teeth, use triangles. Now we're going to do with the body. You need to make a large oval for the body. And now the sail. The sail is pretty big. And also, you can make designs in it if you want. Like these. And also, patterns like these. Or these. Now, we can do the arms and the legs. For the arms, do rectangles with 3 triangles. And for the legs, rectangles and ovals with 3 more triangles. For the tail, we can do a very big curve. That's what makes Spinosaurus so long, at least 59 feet. Now for the eyes. If you want to make it angry, you can add a slanted line here. And for colors, you can really use any color you want. Red for the tail maybe, blue for the body, green for the mouth, orange for the legs, maybe purple for the designs, or any color. It's your decision. In the next video, I'm gonna show you this book. It has all the information I know about dinosaurs.